day 2 of my interview, and from today I have decided that I will speak only in English, because I will tell you the reason why. Uh, Today our interview was held at Hotel Gallery, which is in Hatko Mode, Kolkata. So I'm from Kolkata, so I'm basically giving the interviews which are in Kolkata, and this is our second interview. My first interview was with Indigo only, and this is the second one. But today we had a new HR. I don't know her name, but she was very sweet. So I got rejected in the first round only. In first round, she asked us about our introduction, and she questioned from your CV. In my CV, I had written that. No, in my case, they haven't seen my CV. I have told them about my introduction. I have badly stumbled on words. I don't know, because I was never this bad in English. But recently, in debates also, I'm stumbling like I didn't know English, which is not true. But I stumbled very badly. And the question she asked me was, first to tell something about yourself. I told about myself, and then I mentioned that I know two languages, two foreign languages, and I was so nervous that I know two languages, that is Mandarin and German. But I was so nervous that I told that I know Spanish and German. And then she asked me that, what do you think? That what advantage do you get from learning a new language? So I told her the answer that I think it makes me more confident enough, and I get to know about other countries, other cultures also, and that all thing. But now I am speaking more confidently than I did in the interview. And the second thing, after telling that I have a what that's I think it's a better decision that I should make videos in English, because that's how I can also be fluent in English. I don't know what happened to me. Okay, let's answer about the question. That is, the second question was I forgot the question. One second. Let me remember it first. Oh, in hobby, I added also that I love to act. So she asked me, why do you think that you are here? Because as you said, you like to act. So why don't you become an actor? Then we can get a signature also. And I get very stupid answer of that. And that's how my first interview. And then I just ended it abruptly. I'm very disappointed. I cried. No one knows, but I cried for very, very long. And then now I understood that I have to work on. I will make this kind of videos to show you that a person can go from best to worst, and then again go from worst to best. I am at my lowest, or in my worst section. I came with my two friends. One is Lily, one is Preeti. They are both are very close and dearest friend of mine. Preeti is a little weaker in communication, but she's very good at grooming, which is very important. Let me tell you that. And Lily is good at both the things. More good at communication. So they have went to the second round. Let's see what questions they asked to them, because I have heard that you have to give half an hour interview in the second round. Let's see what they asked them. And also you can see I have done my grooming, but the pimples have betrayed me like ever. So after crying so much, I look a more Polish type thing and more glowing. But you can see the smile. I don't want to cry right now. I will make videos for all the girls who are aspiring to be on Kevin crew or in any field, who are constantly getting rejections, because today's rejection has totally shook me from the core of my heart. I never thought that I would feel this bad, or I would get rejected at the first round only by itself. So, for my my future cabin crew person. I have to smile always. So that's my second day interview, and as I get to know about the things, more about the second rounds and third round, I'll let you know. Thank you.